Welcome, this is Lily Pond Store, and today we'll see the difference between water lily and lotus because there is a big confusion. Many think both are one and the same. Actually, lotus and water lilies are two different plants, totally different. Their leaves are different, seeds are different, rhizome is different, the blooms are different. But how will you identify a lotus and a water lily? Just by looking at the leaf. It's very simple, very easy. Next time when you see a bloom, look at the leaf. You'll be able to understand the difference very easily. You'll be able to identify a lotus versus a water lily. A water lily leaf will be like this. It will have a cut, a slit, a notch. We call it a sinus, and always floats on the surface of the water. Whereas a lotus leaf would be round, green, and normally rises above the water surface. Both are excellent plants. Both bloom so beautifully well. Just one lotus or one water lily in your garden will just change the look of your garden. Excellent plants. Grow water lily, grow lotus. Your garden will look entirely different after that. Thank you.